Is this a business deduction? Bro.
Please read.
Please read, you idiot.
Bruh.
Yo. $4.99, dog. Y'all got me fucked up if you think I'm gonna fill up my car here. Oh my god. You wanna guess my MPG? Close, 9.6. Oh shit, ZR1. Damn. Was revving in front of those people big dick energy?
Oh, they closed everything.
Bro, that's actually ridiculous. Like, subscribe. No, don't let him. What are you doing?
What do you do for us?
No, just close the gap, bro. Close it. Unless it's one of your kind, like another BMW or like a Camaro, like do not. Oh, there's Miami's daily traffic. Bro, I'm sorry, but that looks like Volvo.
Which one?
They're here, bro. The Vantage.
Vanquish?
The Vanquish, yeah.
Not very crazy.
Bro, the lights in the back, like if they turn on, it'll look like a Volvo, bro. Ooh. Now here is the real. Oh, pura sangre.
Well, this is like so fire because 700 feet.
I know, that's fucking ludicrous.
Like masterpiece.
What would you do if you had one? Would you be texting us to go on a Spirited drive with this? Yeah.
I like double PPS.
Oh, nice. 3RS. All right, that's nice. Hey, yo, chat. Hey, yo, chat. Oh my God, what an interesting. I have never seen those seats.
Wow. Yeah, it means we're on the MSRP right now.
Yeah, zoom in, zoom in. Let's see, let's see.
Those are nice.
It's kind of disappointing, I'm not
Take
gonna.
a picture
And then zoom in on that.
I mean, stock is 300. I think it's 440. Oh, and the gray is like stock.
Yeah, that gray is ridiculous. That interior is beautiful. Like, I've never seen anything like that. And that's factory spec. I steal it, bro.
It's like with a sin, with a ceiling missing.
Yeah, with the Barney ceiling missing, but Barney present. All right, brother. I'm outie.
Nice to drive with you. Let's do it
Yeah,
again.
I'm gonna go in and just sleep in one of the cars. All right.
Just smell. I
Just
was
here, don't park it for me.